A normal lens, often referred to as the standard lens, typically has focal length that is roughly equivalent to the diagonal measurement of the camera's image sensor. For a full-frame camera, this is usually around 50 mm. Wide-angle lens has a focal length of 35 mm or shorter, which give you a wide field of view. The wider you field of view, the more of the scene you will be to see in the frame. Those lenses are ideal for many scenarios, and most photographers have at least one trusty wide-angle lens in their kit. Telephoto lens is designed with a longer focal length, typically ranging from 70 to 30 mm or more. These lenses are known for their ability to magnify distant subjects, making them ideal for wildlife, sport, and portrait photography. Macro lens is especially designed for close-up photography, allowing photographers to capture intricate details from small subjects, such as insect, flower, and texture. A zoom lens is a versatile lens that offers a range focal length, allowing photographers to adjust their composition without changing lenses.